Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a thick, good cream base for your creams. Add 60 ml of distilled water to a clean plate, then add 1 teaspoon of glycerin, mix very well. So this is me preparing the water base. Okay, so set the water base aside. Next, we're going to prepare the oil base. Add 10 grams of shea butter, 10 grams of emulsifying wax. Then I've added the oil. I lost the footage. Add any oil of choice, 30 mils. Then we're going to heat up our oil base and water base. We're going to leave the oil to melt completely, as you guys can see. So make sure you add the oil base to the water base while still hot. Then you're going to mix very well till you get a creamy cream. You're going to mix till creamy. So make sure you add the oil base to the water base while both of them are still hot. As you guys can see, we have our cream, our base cream. So transfer into a plate. You can use this to make your creams, moisturizers, and some other skincare products. Thank you so much.